Good morning, Grand Rising. You got money, everybody. Let's go. Drop some ones in the chat if you guys can hear me loud and clear. What's up? What's up? Let me know if you guys can hear me loud and clear. We'll be starting the live stream shortly. We got about 10 viewers in the live stream. Good morning, Grand Rising. Let's go. What's up? What's up? How's everyone doing? All right, so damn, gold melted. It hits, yeah, hit RTP. Give me one sec. Yeah, we got into a trade already, guys. In the signal room, where we just won the trade. Fire. And yeah, gold's pretty much bearish, guys, for the week. And GJ does look like it's bullish. I really want to catch a breakout above 187 flat or 187 psychological. You know, we have a very big opportunity for it to push up and give us a potential, 60 plus pip move, which is like at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Might I be hopping on the live trading floor today? Awesome. All right. Hey guys. All right. So let's do a top-down analysis. A quick top-down analysis for GJ. Obviously, we do look very, very bullish for GJ. We've been uptrending for the past, few days. Daily time frame. Created new all-time highs. Big rejection towards the upside because it was, pretty much too bullish. Small rejection. Now it's kind of consolidated because, we did have a bearish candle yesterday, but that still does not mean that we are already, bearish. It's still not in bearish territory. We had a pretty big rejection towards the upside and toward the downside as well, right? So we're pretty much still bullish. 4 hour time frame, 4 hour does look like we are still bullish. Of course, we just had a small retracement. We respected this level here at 195 flat or 195 psychological to continue pushing up. 1 hour time frame, again, we do look very bullish. These were previous highs that we kept breaking, and now, it created a new key level around 197 psychological, which there is liquidity floating around that level. What do we need to do? Well, we obviously got to break that level, grab the liquidity, and continue pushing up. Once we break 197 psychological with a candle closure, we'll be going into the buys. Now, that is a very strong major level for us since it is in the 1 hour time frame. The higher the time frame, the stronger or better the probabilities are of us winning those trades. And it's a 1 hour, major key level. So it looks pretty solid for us to enter buys if we break 197. Now, we do break 197. There's multiple key levels or target zones that we can, potentially catch above that level, which is 187 300 as our TP1 or like 187 200 for a nice 20 pip move. Super high probability of it hitting it. We can potentially even target 197 800 for 80 plus pips, even 100 plus pips. So it does look like a very, very nice trade that we could potentially benefit off of if we get a breakout off of. Now, if the market does decide to flip bearish for today, since that is another scenario that could happen, then at the day, we don't know 100% if the market's going to push up or down. All we can pretty much do is mark up our charts and pretty much react to whatever opportunity the market gives us. If the market does end up flipping bearish, there is multiple key levels towards the downside that we can also benefit off of, or catch some potential sell opportunities. Like for example, we could potentially sell off of 196 400, and the reason why I would sell below 196 400 is because it's also a major key level on the 1 hour time frame. As you guys can see, it's been a support, resistance, and a pretty strong resistance in the past, at least 3 times in the 1 hour time frame. It's also, price would also be below both of our SMAs if we break that level. So right there we have pretty much 2 to 3 confluences to sell if we decide to break that level. We break 196 400, we could potentially target 196 150, which with that target zone, which with the nearest target zone that we have, which is 196 150, we are at least targeting a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, which is more than good enough for us to make money off of that trade, or for us to consider that a potential trade opportunity. Next target zone would more likely be 195,800. Again, that'll be a 40 plus pip move, 1 to 2 risk to reward, perfect setup. And below that, we have 194, 195 flat, 60 plus pip move, 1 to 3 risk to reward. That would be a perfect trade. That is, of course, if GJ does end up flipping bearish. The probabilities are for buys. The high probability trade types right now are for buys. Since of course we are bullish, we're uptrending, and we'll have a lot more confluences if we break the 187 psychological level for buys. But again, anything could happen in the markets, and all we can pretty much do is react to whatever the market gives us. Whether it's buys or sells. That's why we're Forex traders, or that's why we're day traders. We have the opportunity to make money, whether the market goes up or whether the market goes down. Let me know if you guys understand that. And, I gave a pretty solid breakdown right now for GJ. So let me know in the chat if you guys, understood what I said. I know I spoke a little bit fast, but, I went over it multiple times. Let me know if you guys understood everything, in the chat. About 50 people in the live stream, 30-minute time frame. Let's kind of go down in time frames to see if we can find more data. Looks pretty nice. 30-minute looks very nice. Multiple. The market has respected that level multiple times. Yeah, super nice. We might be able to catch an opportunity on GJ this morning. The only problem would be my stop losses. Where would I place my stops? We'll have to see eventually when this candle closes. I think I'll probably break above that level so we can catch those buys. Yeah, the buys look very nice right now. Alright, so I sent out the buy stop signals, guys, on the VIP signal room. Buys above 197 psychological, but we must have at least a 50-minute candle closure above that level for us to enter those buys. I'm currently looking for on GJ. Gold. Gold's very bearish. I already sent out the signal. We sent out sells at 23.12. Melted all the way to 23.04. So, super nice trade we caught here in the VIP signal room. Currently 1.0 for the morning, 1.0 for the day. Yesterday I called out another sell on gold. Since gold has pretty much been very bearish since the week opened. And, we're pretty much in a win streak right now. I believe we're like in a 10 trade win streak right now. And it's been very, nice these past few days. Last week, amazing week, phenomenal week. We pretty much were about 7-0, 8-0. And this week we've won 2 trades, so we're about 9-0 and 10-0. I gotta look at our trades, but we are in a really nice win streak right now. All right, so gold, bearish. I wouldn't be looking for buys on gold unless we get a break in retest position or break in retest entry. But I'm pretty much not looking for any buys on gold. Gold is 100% bearish. GJ, we're about to get the candle closure. Get ready, guys. That's what I'm looking for above 197. I'll be looking for the buys. I'm not in the trade yet. Just be patient. I'm not in the trade yet, guys. Patience. Be right back, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm back. I guess, so yeah. We're not in the trade yet. I thought GJ was gonna fly without us. We have 9 minutes for the next candle closure. I entered buys at 187. Brother, we didn't get the candle closure. We of course need a candle closure, like I said, to be able to enter a trade. We had no candle closure. Could have been a fake out, so that's the reason why we wait for candle closures. Now you're in about 5 pips in drawdown, and we're not in no type of drawdown because we did not enter the trade. That's why you gotta have patience. We're not in the trade yet. I did not call out any trade. I wasn't even here. So yeah, guys, we need candle closure above 187, and we have 8 minutes for that candle closure, for the 15-minute candle to form. No trade yet, guys. I don't care if this candle flies 20 plus pips. I'm not entering no trade. I'm gonna have to get a new chair. This chair makes so much noise. 5 minute, guys, for the candle closure. It's closing too high up. I want to enter, within 5 pips of our entry. So around 187.50, we could still enter. It's too high up right now. Just push a little bit down. Come on. If we miss out on the trade, guys, we miss out on the trade. We need that candle closure. If not, no trade. Always practice, proper risk management and patience. See, that's why we wait. Look how it's slowly coming back down. We want to catch the real breakout. You get me? Should I hold it at least this point or should I close? I mean, if you're in profits, I'd close half of your position. Practice proper risk management. We haven't had a candle closure yet. You should be in profits. Close half of your position and let the rest run. 4 minutes for candle closure. Yeah, just to be safe, close half of your position, secure some type of profits there, and while you're in profits right now. But don't close it completely, you know. But close half of your position, just so if you do end up losing this trade, you're not losing whatever you're risking. Hopefully, you're only risking 1 to 2%. If you close half of your position and you're risking 1%, you're only losing a 0.5 of your account. And if you're risking a whole 2% on that trade, you should only be losing 1% of your account, which with one good trade, you should be able to recover that easily. Last week we made like 26% in the signal room. You got me? So 1% shouldn't really hurt you. The problem is a lot of you traders, don't like losing, and losing is part of the game. It's just all a percentage based game. Look, now you're in drawdown. Hopefully you close half of your trade. 3 minutes, guys, for the candle closure, and I'll be entering if we get a candle closure above 197. See what ends up happening. At least we're not missing out on the trade, so I'm glad it pushed back down. We had a massive rejection towards the downside. This could mean two things. Either we had a massive rejection, price couldn't break below and it's just doing a liquidity sweep, wiping liquidity from the left hand side, to wipe out all the people who got impatient, the stop losses, or to ultimately push back up, or it might create a wick fill where price might come back down to fill up this wick and then ultimately continue pushing up. It could mean those two things. So let's see. Yeah, that wick is pretty dangerous. That's how big is that wick? Jesus, that's a 40 pip candle. 40 pip wick. That's insane. Yeah, that would have wiped anybody's stop loss. 2 more minutes, guys, for candle closure, and we might be entering on this trade. Let's see what ends up happening. I want to get the buys above this level. One more minute. Close right there and I'll be entering. Close right there, bro. Close right there. Close right there. Come on. Push up, push up. All right, guys, I'm in the trade. Damn, it executed me so high up. Come on. Trade locker put me into 2 positions. Whatever. All right, guys, we're in the trade, guys. We're in buys. TP1 is 200. And then TP2 is 400. We're in the buys for GJ, guys. Wow, it executed me all the way up there. We got a nice candle closure, guys, and we're in the trade. right, perfect. Let's go push up. Currently up 10 pips in profit. That's how we do it, guys. 12 pips in profit. We're up 12 pips in profit, guys. Let's go. 13 pips, 14 pips in profit. We're up almost 15 pips. $15 pips in profit, guys. Beautiful trade. We're about to hit TP1 for 20 plus pips. It's 5 more pips and we're hitting TP. Come on, let's go. Let me update the signal room. We're about 16 plus pips in profit. $16 plus pips. TP1 hit, guys. Let's go. Let's go. TP1 hit, guys, for 24 pips. Drop some W's in the chat, guys, if you made money today in the live stream. We're currently up 25 pips in profit. Boom. Close my positions at a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Let's go. Drop some W's in the chat, guys. We're up about almost 30 plus pips in profit. Move stops to break. Not even time to move stops to break even. Once we hit TP2, just move stops to TP1 if you're still in the trade. W's in the chat. Let's go. Who even does this? You know, every single day, you know, we win. 11 trade win streak. Let's go. Yep, live on stream, guys. TP1 hit for about 25 pips. We hit about 30 pips in profit. We should be hitting TP2 anytime soon, guys. You know, completely free. I do this every Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays live on YouTube. Drop some W's in the chat, guys, if you guys made money with this trade. All right, guys. So I appreciate all of you guys who joined the live stream. Trade should be hitting TP2 anytime soon. I'm gonna be leaving the live streams. I haven't ate breakfast or anything. I'm starving right now, and I've been running every single morning. But I appreciate all you guys who joined. We're in a 10 trade win streak right now. 2-0 for the morning. We won a trade yesterday, so we're like 3-0 for the week, and we were like 7-0 last week. So super successful past few trading days. And I appreciate all of you guys who joined the live stream. For those of you guys that are new, my live stream schedule is every Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Sometimes I might not go live if I see that the markets are not moving the way I would want them to move. And, if the markets are choppy, might as well not even stream if I can't take a trade. But I appreciate all of you guys for joining. Every time I find the trade setup or a trade opportunity, I'm always going to be sending out the signals in the signal room. I trade for free Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays on YouTube, where I try to find the setup and send out a trade here. But in the signal room, I usually take like 1 to 2 trades per day. Those are trades that I'm obviously not gonna take here on the live stream because that's for my signal room. But I appreciate all you guys who joined. If you guys want to be part of the signal room, there is a wait list. I just don't accept everybody. But you can try joining the wait list in the description below through the WAP page. And you'll be able to join the signal room, get my chart breakdowns, and be able to communicate with me and the whole Take Profit Academy community. So let's go, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.